Hi everyone, it's Heroes Fitness Store Norwich, Ipswich and Colchester, and we've got another brand new product in store. It's the Arginine alpha-ketoglutarate compressed capsules. This is a pre-workout product for pumps, energy, focus, without using stimulants. So this is completely stimulant free. You can always use it during the day as well if you want to keep your pumps. It'll also help you uptake like nutrients into the muscle cells. That's what arginine does. Anyway, that's the Arginine alpha-ketoglutarate compressed capsules, Heroes Fitness Store Norwich, Ipswich and Colchester.